Hello, in this video I want to show you how to bypass parental controls on a Realme 11 Pro. For this we'll need to open our system settings, then we need to locate Google, and now just to show you, if I enter parental controls, they're set, and to remove them we'll need to go back. Now scroll up and go for manage your Google account. And here we'll need to do something drastic, but don't worry, as nothing bad should happen. So go for data privacy, and here we need to delete our Google account. And as I mentioned, don't worry, as we'll be recovering this account right afterwards, and I never had a problem with that. So just to show you, let's do that. Delete your Google account. Now we need to enter the password, so you actually need to know the password for your account, and I'm gonna do that off screen. Now you can read through all of the information what happens when you delete your account, and I'm gonna accept to both of that stuff and then delete my account. And here it says that something went wrong. Sometimes it happens, so we need to sign in again and basically perform the same process again. And now it says that my account was deleted. And we're gonna go with next step. There's account recovery, and I'm gonna leave it. Let's open our Google Play Store next, because we just got logged out from this account, obviously, as it's removed. And when we open our Google Play Store, we'll be able to sign into another account, and let's use the same one that we just removed. And here it says that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click on next to attempt to restore this account. Here it may say that something went wrong again, but we just need to retry, because at some point it will work. So now it works fine. Click on I agree. So we successfully recovered our account, and we can go to our settings and then Google. And here, if we try to open parental controls again, they are ready to set up, and they are removed from our account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.